Welcome to the second video of section 1.1 in our OpenStax statistics book. Let's discuss briefly our terms mean and proportion, which we'll be using a lot in this course. If you were to consider 3 exams in your math classes, and say they had the scores of 86, 75, and 92, in order to find your mean score or your average score, you would add up all those 3 values and divide by the number of values. And if we divide 253 divided by 3, we'd get about 84.3. These squiggly equal sign lines here, that indicates approximately, not exact. Now let's consider the term proportion. Let's say you toss a coin 10 times and you get 3 heads and 7 tails. Then the proportion of heads would be the number of desired outcomes divided by the number of possible outcomes. In this case, we would have 3 over a total of 10 possible outcomes. And when we divide 3 by 10, we'll get 0.3. Take a look at example 2, and after reading it, go ahead and pause the video and see if you can fill out the answers to each of the terms below on how they respond to the given problem. How did we do for population and sample? And here is our answer for parameter and statistic. And moving on to variable and data. There we go for our variable. And in this case for data, the answer would either be yes or no. Yes, he is doing a good job, and no, he is not doing a good job. And that's the end of our second video for section 1.1.